For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung S25 Ultra, and I wanted to show you how to make the light brighter or dimmer. It's kind of a hidden feature not a lot of people know about, but it's a pretty neat and handy one. So let's go ahead and swipe down and go into however you get to your flashlight. There's multiple ways to bring up the flashlight. I use the power button myself. I have it done through a different way, which we can go over in another video. But for now, I want to show you just this. So what you do is you can tap it. Of course, it comes on, comes off. But if you tap and hold it, a submenu comes off. So we have off or on, and if it's on, then the bottom comes down as to brightness. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different levels. So, and it warns you the camera light may cause low temperature burns when prolonged contact, etc., etc. But this is how to make your light less bright or brighter. When I hit done and then go to it again, it defaults to where it was left off. So if you want to leave it dim and hit done, and we go back to it again, it'll stay dim. So I always like to, of course, have it as bright as it can be, but there's some instances where you may not want it as bright as possible. So that's my video on how to brighten or dim your flashlight on your phone. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.